There are many car seat products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car seats from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Baby Trend Car Seat. Rating 4.6. Integrated height and angle. Adjustable canopy for in-car UV protection. Flip-out side visors provide additional shade protection for either side of the car seat. A child can quickly adjust the canopy when the car is in motion and the sun is coming from multiple directions. The Coverm's exclusive comfort cabin offers extra padding to keep the child comfortable on long rides. Includes an integrated headrest with no rethread harness. 3 reclining positions recline that allow front seat passengers to have extra legroom, while an integrated recline flip foot offers dual adjustment and gives the right angle with ease. The Baby Trend Cover Me 4 in 1 convertible car seat is 18.25 inch, which allows it to fit 3 children across in most vehicles. Number 4. Safety First Grow Car Seat. Rating 4.7. The convertible car seat is designed with a quick-fit harness, simplifying harness and headrest adjustments, making it easy to get your child in and out of the car seat. The washer and dryer safe seat pad features snaps that make it easy to remove from the convertible car seats, along with 2 dishwasher safe cup holders for fuss-free cleaning. The convertible car seat for children from 5 to 100 pounds can be used in rear-facing, forward-facing, and belt positioning booster modes. 2 removable Grow With Me baby pillows for a snug fit. The convertible car seat also has a 3-position recline. Getting kids in and out of the car is made easier with harness holders that keep harness straps out of the way, whether you're using it as a baby car seat, forward-facing car seat, or a high-back belt positioning car seat booster. Number 3. Chico MyFit Car Seat. Rating 4.8. For extended use, the forward-facing Chico MyFit Harness Plus Booster Car Seat easily converts from a 5-point harness for toddlers to a belt positioning booster for bigger kids. Superior Duo Guard with a deep, rigid shell and EPS energy-absorbing foam for head and body support creates 2 levels of side impact protection. A steel-reinforced frame provides additional impact protection for parent peace of mind. Premium latch connectors and Locksure belt tightening system offer easy installation in either harness or seat belt mode, while Ride Right bubble levels and ReclineSure leveling system ensure a proper fit in the vehicle. The high-back booster accommodates your growing child with a 9-position headrest and a 4-position recline. The extra deep, contoured Ergo Boost seat with dual-density foam padding offers a more comfortable ride in both modes. Number 2. ClearTex Plus Car Seat. Rating 4.8. Superior Duo Guard for head and body support and 10-position height adjustment from the waist instead of the neck offers reassuring protection and child comfort. Equipped with premium latch connectors and a Super Cinch 1-pull tightener to stabilize the seat, and the quick-release latch provides one-hand removal for easy transfer, creating an ideal portable booster seat. ClearTex fabric features no added chemicals and meets federal flammability standards. All fabrics, including armrests, are removable and machine washable. A contoured Ergo Boost seat with double foam padding provides comfort and support in all the right places. 2 dishwasher-safe cup holders fold out of the way when empty for a narrow booster seat. Number 1. Graco Slim Fit Car Seat. Rating 4.8. Slim Fit, rotating cup holders, and a 10% slimmer design save valuable backseat space. Graco Protect Plus engineered for rigorous crash tests, frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. No rethreads, simply safe adjust harness system and 10-position headrest adapts to your growing child. Comfortable 4-position recline ensures comfortable journeys and better installation. Easy installation. The in-right latch system for a 1-second attachment with an audible click. Meets or exceeds all safety standards set by the U.S. government and is rigorously crash tested to meet or exceed U.S. industry standards. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.